Split in the middle.
Boy!
Make the two toys jiggle.
Yeah, hold on. The girl with the little skinny mark, what you go on board? Hold on there. Look how much I put on the car, man it. Watch out. Me going in that slow motion. I can't think a joke. Take the reaction boss I deal with. Look how much I put on the car, man it. People, watch that. Whoa, boof, and she shake up a little to water. Yeah, why the girl? Yeah. Boom! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss, straight out of Jamaica. Wait, aka the reaction boss. What's up, YouTube? You don't know what's happening, people. We post every single day over here. That's a good reason to subscribe. And if you're from the Caribbean or anywhere else, just consider subscribing to the Jamaican boy channel and reach a goal. The goal for this year is 10,000 subscribers. I'm keep saying it in every video until we max it up. So right now, please subscribe if you are new to the channel. We're gonna react to Freezy, split in the middle. Hey, make your bumper, make your tuta, whatever they call that crap. It's not a crap, but whatever they call it. Anyways, this was recommended to me by one of my subscribers. Nadine, big up yourself. You don't know chop already. You know me I talk. You don't know chop already. Ryan, big up yourself. You don't know chop already, people. Anyways, those are some day one viewers of my channel. They recommended. She recommended this video to me. She knows that I like the girls. When the girls are going crazy in the videos. Comment on this video to see your comment to the next video that I post. And maybe post a second video today or a third video or a fourth video, you don't know. I post every day, 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 times for the day. So you please subscribe with notifications on for the most lit reactions, alright? Anyways, let's see what's going on for this video right now. Let's see what St. Lucia has to offer. Well, honestly, we all know this song, Split in the Middle. You understand? We all know this song, you know, get the girls them going crazy. But I've never watched the video before, and that's tragic. And this has been on for like 2 years, I think. That's weird. But anyways, let's get straight to this right now. Alright? Freezy, the girl them cheesy, deaf. Alright? We don't know what to expect. Yeah? Drone shot and thing. Say no, say the video bad enough. Drone shot there. What, Rachel? Hey. Hey, I always see them doing this thing. Put in the fire. Like, I don't know what them put. Alcohol them put in the rum, them put in their mouth. Rum them consume. And them one blow it up on fire stick or something makes it be a fire. I never wonder how them do that. I not try that too. But I don't know. But anyway, say, listen to the man. Look how the man jump in the people. Listen, watch out. Listen up. Hey, girl, you ready for one party now? Hey, girl, you ready for one party now? Right, June.
Madras. Hey. Freezy Tyrekejt.
Why? Hold on. Me nah do that something there. That never happened, you know. I are not doing that, you know. Look what this man just do, people. You think me I go do that? Look your people. Look your people. Watch out. Why?
Madras.
No, nah, go. Hey. Hot. Breeze coming in that car. Why? Run tune.
Freezy Tyrekejt.
Hey, yeah. Hold on. Me say you could get a while ago. Me no say I be a girl go there that video, you know, cause obviously it's a girl singing it. But me say a girl a go on bad.
Freezy Tyrekejt.
See how your blood cleat, yeah. You girl, give me like a slow motion action. No like more do them something, yeah. I miss it. We miss it. Me like a slow motion. Me say baby. Yeah. We miss them something. A long time I do them something there. We like see the girls them, you know. And the girls them will represent for now. Run through now Tyrekevlogs.
I like it. Crow, they ready?
Alright.
Tell them, do that for me.
Baby girls, are you ready? Baby girls, if you're watching video right now, you ready? Wait, if you're from the Caribbean or anywhere in the Caribbean, comment your flag down below in the comment section. If you're from America, comment your flag down below in the comment section. You understand me? More on the spot to come from, you know. If you watch them, you know. You know what I mean? Comment see people watching from Mars, you know. More on the Mars of a flag, you know, dog. Trust me, you know. Because you two tell me say your views is anonymous. You don't know which way to come from. I say, what? What? So if you come from Mars, Jupiter, Venus, alright? We're not going to see Uranus. People, comment down below in the comment section. I'm so sure to come. I don't know chop already. And, you ready for the song? Ladies, you ready? You ready? Alright.
Split in the middle.
Boy!
Make the two toys jiggle.
Yeah, hold on. The girl with the little skinny mark and what you go on border. Hold on there. Look how much of people they care about it. Watch out. Me going in a slow motion. I can't think a joke. Take the reaction boss and deal with. Look how much of people they care about it, people. Watch us like that. Whoa. Boof. Buckler. And she shake up a little to water. Yeah. Why the girl? Yeah. Yeah. Talking that now, you. Yeah. Yeah. Tira. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. People, I'm gonna play it back in a normal speed because if I follow this video, them girls here are mad me. Run tune.
Table, my girl, I know you able.
Hey, imagine me sit down on the ground, you know. Bad boy stand up, you know, and she go from left to right, pam, bad boy. So, yeah. Youth. The reaction boss is in full effect. Like the video, turn around, put me in. Run tune. Yeah.
Make the toothwash jiggle.
Oh yeah. That looks beautiful. Like what do you know me having the girls them. We are on the song in the paper. Link to the original song down below in the description. If you never check it out, if you don't feel like you go watch it again, then in the description. You understand me? Look like my video. Only there for my reaction. No, run through. While I wanna run through, I want to see that girl up on the car bonnet. Hey, you know, man underpants or a tight shit, you know. Come in, my girl, shake it. Yeah. Whoa, la. Bad. St. Lucian girls. What's going on? Hi, baby. Hi. What's goody? What is goody? Hold on there. My react to a St. Lucian song. I see that man you turn post one video. Oh, the man buckle at the go. Me don't care about me. I know that mix up something there for day. You understand me? One love and one. Right, June.
Table, my girl, I know you able.
Yeah.
Control
Buckle. Everything in slow motion and the barefoot out the door. Hold on, baby. Watch out. What's she there? What? Hey, see that girl, that people. That girl is bad. That girl has something different about her. Yeah, I know me love chat, but you have to live with it. You have to live with it. Watch out now. Watch out.
My girl, I know you
Barefoot. Bumbuckle. No. She don't pass me, sir. Look at that girl over there in the bumbuckle belt in between the three of them. Trailer girl, milk you. Me have slow motion because me want to catch you. Me a wait for you. Switch you see now. Trailer girl want to see. Yeah, girl, wind up your body. See her there, your bumbo, yo. Watch her. She bad, so. St. Lucia, I want to come from. No, sir. No. Leave it alone. Like the video from the video, people, and subscribe for the most lit music video reactions. Them over here, sir. Comment some more solutions. So when the girls are going bad in the comment section for me drop the reaction. Them. Run tune. Yeah, baby. Whoa, she good. She have it. I'm putting like tune that normal speed, you know, man. When you know something turn around, the girls up there in full effect, you know, man. You don't SCT, tell them about me, man. Tell them about me, SCT TV. Cash, big up yourself in the Cash comment day. AJ, big up yourself in the comment section. I don't know chopping all on in the comment section. Right,
sit down in my chair.
Yeah.
Square bumper there.
Yeah.
1 foot in the air.
What? In my girl direction and shadow everything. My girl instruction and shadow everything. But the thing is, in a dog, she not even fat. She not thick. She not even slim thick. She just average. And she look good doing this in the video. And she not barefoot. And like them Jamaican girl, I feel have some cut up ties or something. She just barefoot in one little simple fit, one simple jeans, and one little cut off shirt, one little simple belly skin shirt, and she bad. Watch her, look at her good.
One hand holding back.
Yeah.
With one flick in your hair.
Well, one flick in your hair. But, you know, so I don't really know the lyrics to the song. Let me see if I can catch a few words. Well,
1 foot in the air. One hand holding back.
Alright. 1 foot in the air. One hand hold it there. I did it right. Hold up. Let me get some more. Let me try and get some more to song. Hold on.
With one flick in your hair. Show up on my way.
What? 1 foot from. Hold on. I'm gonna get this shit. Hold on. Flip in the air. One and all my. Let me get something else. Let's go.
Split in the middle.
Yeah.
Make the toothwash jiggle.
Split in the middle. Make it. Even that I don't know. Did he say two twice or two twice? Make the toothwash jiggle. I really don't know what he said. Someone please inform me, but let's go.
Climb on a table.
Yeah.
Girl, I know you.
Bomba. I some of them get it. Some of them fully split it out. Stretch them fully out. Just, the feet of them. Ooh, they made up like okra. Bomba. I'm a virgin. I mean, what am I talking about? I'm a virgin. What the fuck?
Make these two
Hey, yeah.
Climb on a table.
Yeah.
My girl, I know you able.
So far, what I'm realizing is, I must have seen this. This is the only female I'm seeing. Is it that the St. Lucian girls are afraid to shake up their sexy, beautiful, melanin skin body? Huh? But anyways, this one girl is R enough. And as I said before, they don't got to be half naked.
Sunday spring.
Oh, more girl I know.
You sing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Chinese wine.
My boy, I just call life out of that. You know what I was saying? I don't want music with the maggot for you. Come here, girl. Yes, girl. I don't want music with the maggot for you. You think you get where? Watch him tonight.
When you're
Yeah.
for the thing.
Yeah.
6:45 for the thing.
6:45. Say that Jamaica don't say girl them at 6:30, you know. Now them girl at 6:45. Them girl about them past 6:30, them at 6:45. Wait, no, 6:30 after that 6:45, man. Let me wouldn't know, you have to ask a girl that. So 6:30, 6:45. Left it alone. Run tune!
What about time for the thing?
Yeah.
Only you can do them thing. My girl gets split in the middle.
Yeah.
Make
But
me
now like brother, uno do them thing there, uno professional. Big up on yourself for doing the fire something you wanna do with the alcohol and the fire. Me nah do that. That will never happen. Alright? Run tune. Oh, let me see how long the video go. I'm not like make video over 10 minutes, you know. Same bumbuckly thing. People the video too long. I know people don't like watch videos too long, you know, so run through the video a little bit.
jiggle. Climb on the table.
Yeah.
Girl, turn up already. Boom. Yes.
Yeah. Why? Anyway, people, big up on yourself. Thanks for checking out the reaction boss video. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel for the new, and comment your flag or comment anything down below in the comment section and recommend some more St. Lucia music you know I'm a react to. You understand me? I say reaction boss is out.